Now, I could have easily done all this meal prepping last night, but no, I want to be difficult. I want to get up 4 a.m., do laundry, meal prep. Actually, I have a story about laundry. Okay, don't judge me. So, I was going to do laundry and I went outside and I heard like buzzing, which isn't like, what's the word? I'm so tired. That's normal. Like, that's normal to hear that because we have these cute little lanterns outside our doors. So, bugs are attracted to light. Duh, you're going to hear buzzing. So, where it gets freaky is now I'm noticing these aren't the usual bugs. Like, usually it's like a moth, and usually there's not like real buzzing. It's more I see them, I don't hear them. So, I'm like, why are these bugs so loud? Mind you, it's early, like it's dark, nobody's outside but me. So as I'm going down the row, the buzzing's getting louder. So now, and I don't like to look at the lanterns because the lanterns are literally near like people's living room windows. So I don't want to look at the lantern because what if somebody's window's open? I'm gonna look like a creep. But now I'm like, I don't care. Like, I need to see what's going on. It's a bunch of bees. Like, I've never seen bees around here like that. So I'm like, okay, maybe it was just that lantern. The next door. And I mean, they're getting like squad deep as I go down the road. So now I'm freaking out because the walkway is very narrow. So I'm literally walking next to these damn bees. So I'm like, ooh, ooh, and I'm trying to be quiet because it's early. Like, I don't want people like, who's this crazy one outside screaming? So I'm like, ooh, ooh, like. So now as I'm walking my way back to my crib, I'm like just looking at like, where did the bees go? Now I'm looking crazy because I was ready to email the manager like, girl, I'm gonna need y'all to come check out these lanterns, right? So now I'm just like staring like at the light, but I ain't want to look too crazy because I'm like, security probably gonna be like, who is this woman? Who is this woman out in her PJs just staring at lights? So I'm like, all right, maybe you tripping. Then I'm like, yo, is it Candyman? Is Candyman coming to get me? Making kale juice this week from my kale garden. This week's juice is kale, this mixed fruit, strawberry, peach, pineapples, chia seeds, and honey. Woo, officially done. Officially done. All right, we got 5 jars of kale juice for each day, apple cider vinegar tea. This week I just did apple cider vinegar, ginger, honey, and water. 3 things of my magnesium powder. Oatmeal, it's just blueberries, sugar, and chia seeds. Apple slices for lunch. Sandwiches for lunch, peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and its team strawberry preserves over here. And then the frosting, some jars of pasta sauce. And I'll switch up each pasta probably each day, but I'm gonna start off with this tonight because I love that. And I will saute onions and spinach to go with it each day. I might add some garbanzo beans to that mixture too.